How to change Clubhouse room topic. Hi everybody. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you change Clubhouse room topic. So what you want to do is first thing first, you want to open the Clubhouse app onto your device. Once you're logged into your Clubhouse, you just want to start a room. So on the Clubhouse home screen, tap start a room. There you want to tap add a topic in the top right corner of the room creation menu. Next, you want to type in your desired topic up to 60 character long and tap set topic, and you can start by tapping let's go, and this is how you're supposed to add in a topic. Now if you want to change the topic of a schedule room, all you need is just want to navigate to a schedule event, and there you want to tap the three dot menu in the top right corner and go to edit event, after which you could simply go ahead and update the topic and tap the save button. And this is how you're supposed to change Clubhouse room topic. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.